and hold on, I forgot spinach. Can you pause the video? Hi, this is Meenal D-Rock and you're watching D-Rock's TV. And I'm putting together a new series called as Healthy Lifestyle Series. So as you can see, this is my very first video. So please show me some love. The reason I'm sharing this video is because for a long time, I have always wanted to share this magic smoothie recipe given to me by my nutritionist, Bijal Thoda. And she's in Canada, but this magic smoothie recipe is so universal that no matter where you are, you can use this secret recipe. This is not only going to build your immunity, but this is also going to help you lose some weight. So, before I get to the ingredients, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm Meenal D-Rock. I am a life coach, a brand influencer. I'm also an IT professional and a weekend model and actor. So the only reason I'm making this video is because I want to help others who have suffered like me. For a long time, I've always had a very active life and I'm always on the run, go. I ignored my health for a long time. So like at least in the last 10 years, I've noticed I've suffered once in every 3 months. I've suffered sinus infections and sinus headaches or also acid reflux. And no matter how much I've tried taking those medicines that doctors prescribe, I'm not saying the doctors prescribing those medications are not good. That will definitely help you short term, but long term I never got any relief from those. So I said I need something long term that's going to help me build some immunity. So finally I went to my nutritionist and she gave me the exact right proportion and the kind of food I'm supposed to introduce in my life on a daily basis. So almost like the way you brush your teeth every day and the way you take shower every day, which I hope most of you do, the same way you have to have this smoothie every day without fail. And at least I can tell you that from last 1 year, I've not had a single sinus infection episode and I've not even had a single acid reflux episode. So that's huge. So I'm no more on medications. Now I'm going to show you that magic recipe. So let's get started, cut to the chase right away. I'm going to show you how to make this. So all you need is, of course, a good mixer, a good grinder. I have Ninja here, but whatever you have at home. So I'm going to start with the large flake rolled oats. Any brand would work. I have got this Rogers brand right here. And I normally put my half cup measurement right inside so that way it's easy in the morning. I just pretty much grab it right away. You see that's half cup. So you first put that into the mixer, and rolled oats are very helpful because that keeps you full throughout the day. So if you have the smoothie at say 9 a.m. then till 12 o'clock you're going to be pretty full, and then automatically your lunch will be smaller, your meals would be smaller. This entire smoothie is around 500 calories. That's why it is important for you to follow the proportion that I'm giving so that you're not beyond 500. The next thing I'm going to put is pumpkin seeds. Again, this is a Trader Joe's brand, but doesn't matter whatever brand you want to go with. I'm going to use this as this small spoon. I would call it as 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Again, there's a reason for everything. So I think sunflower seeds, you can Google it up. They have a lot of nutrition, but most of the ingredients in this are things that probably you don't get in your diet on a daily basis. So like magnesium and all of that, omega and good amount of protein. So with this smoothie, you get all of that every day. This is sunflower seeds, again Trader Joe's brand, I think, 1 tablespoon. Then the next thing, you have a choice between almonds or walnuts. I'm using the word or because you cannot have both together. If you have too much of them, then that's too much of fat as well. So you have to be very careful. So the way my nutritionist Bijal Thoda has said that you can either have 3 walnuts or 5 almonds. So today I'm choosing the 3 walnuts. So I'm going to put 3. Then the next thing is strawberries. So you can only have 5 strawberries or a handful of blueberries. Today I'm going with strawberries. They are washed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there are some optional items here that my nutritionist has not recommended, but one of my physicians had told me a few days ago that I should try to put these in my smoothie as well. So again, these are optional. This is hemp heart. Right now the brand is Manitoba, but you can again go with whatever you like. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. So here it is. And I don't put hemp seeds and chia seeds every day. It's sometimes maybe twice in a week. So, but you can even put that every day. I don't think it's harmful. Then the next thing you want is yogurt, and let me show you the brand. This is 1 cup. So the rolled oats was half cup. This is 1 cup, and 0% Greek yogurt. It has to be Greek yogurt and 0%. The reason I'm using lactose free is it's not that I'm lactose intolerant, but I'm just using it because I think it's easier on your stomach when you have it as lactose free. So if you find it, then why not use that? So if you count with tablespoon, it could be around 6 to 7 spoons, but I just use this cup measurement and I just put this. And the last and most important ingredient would be spinach. And hold on, I forgot spinach. Can you pause the video? Okay, the last and most important ingredient is the superfood spinach. And I know a lot of you guys probably don't like spinach and you'll be like, oh my god, that's gonna be yucky when you add it. But trust me, it's really yummy, it's tasty because spinach in itself does not have its own flavor. So when it's mixed with yogurt and all of these ingredients, it is literally, it's yummy. It's like almost like a salty buttermilk, so don't worry about it. That has to be 2 handfuls. So you can see I'm literally grabbing huge, this is my 1 hand of spinach going inside, and try to push your spinach a little inside because it tends to stick on the blade above. And this is my second hand of spinach. And earlier I used to not include spinach into the smoothie and have spinach separately as a salad. But honestly, it's too much of work to do that in the morning. So salads on dinner, it's good, but in the morning you should mix your spinach right inside the smoothie. So now I have to add water. So the way the water measurement works is on your Ninja Bullet, it should be 16 ounce or 16 and a half. I would say 16 and a half. So I am hoping this is going to give me approx 16 and a half. Perfect, yeah. So I got my 16 and a half. So it's almost like 1 cup. And now we are ready to grind this. And trust me, it's going to be yummy. So this is done. As you can see, this is green color, and I'm just going to remove this in my flask so that I can show you how big this is, and that's why this is going to keep you full for 2 to 3 hours, and your lunch is going to automatically become smaller. So as you can see, there's still a little left, and I'm going to just gulp it. This is really easy to gulp because it's liquidy. It's not like the yogurt smoothie that is icy and hard to drink. And let me show you the first sip. It's really yummy. It's really yummy. And if you have tried this, I would like you to come back to my channel and comment on how it helped you, or what kind of changes you had in your body, or maybe it helped you in reducing your acne, helped you in losing weight, and if it resolved some of your body issues like sinus and acid reflux or anything else that you had. And as I said, this is my very first video, so please show me some love. And I'm sure as I keep adding more and more videos, my quality of videos would definitely improve. But for now, I would love for you guys to try this, and also please come back to my channel and let me know for how long did you try it. So I would definitely urge you to try it for at least 3 months to find the best result. But even if you have tried it for a shorter time, let me know what you felt about it. And if you thought there was some ingredient that would help other users, other viewers, please comment it, and I would like to try your method in my next video as well. So for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to include my nutritionist link in this particular video, so feel free to contact her as well. And if you have any questions, you know how to reach me, DRocksTV. Bye!